Hi, I am Saroj Singh with the UPPCS paper 2. This is the C series and total number of questions was 100 and total marks was 200. Duration is 2 hours and this is important instruction. You can read from here. 1/3 was negative marking. Now proceed with question number 1. From starting 20 questions was in Hindi. Now let's start. Question number 1. मातृणाम का शुद्ध संधि विच्छेद है. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. मातृ प्लस ऋणाम. क्वेश्चन 2. गमला और ऑलपिन किस भाषा के शब्द हैं? ए फ्रेंच भाषा के. निम्नलिखित में से वह वाक्य छांटिए जिसमें क्रिया विशेषण का प्रयोग किया गया है. तो क्रिया विशेषण का प्रयोग किया गया है. तुम जी जान लगाकर पढ़ रहे हो. ऑप्शन डी इज राइट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. निम्नलिखित में से खिड़की का पर्यायवाची है मीन्स सिनोनिम. खिड़की का पर्यायवाची है वातायन. क्वेश्चन 5. रामचरितमानस की रचना किस भाषा में हुई है? रामचरितमानस की रचना अवधी भाषा में हुई है. सी ऑप्शन इज राइट. क्वेश्चन 6 to 10 तक के लिए पैसेज दिया हुआ है. ये पैसेज आपको रीड करना है. ये आशावादी और निराशावादी पे पूरा दिया हुआ है. ये है पैसेज एंड क्वेश्चन इससे है. क्वेश्चन 6. इस अवतरण का सर्वथा उपयुक्त शीर्षक हो सकता है. तो आंसर है जीवन और आशावाद. क्वेश्चन 7. परंपरा का विरोध करने से प्रतिभा ऊपर नहीं उठती का आशय है. परंपरा को स्वीकारने से प्रतिभा नष्ट नहीं होती. नकारात्मकता का आशय है निराशावाद. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. निराशावादी दुख के सागर में डूबे रहते हैं और सदा अपने आपको प्रस्थापित करने के लिए तर्क किया करते हैं के लिए कहा जा सकता है कि ये जितने भी सेंटेंस दिए हैं सब सही दिए हुए हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू पैसेज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. आत्मिक आनंद से आशय है आह्लाद. आत्मिक आनंद से आशय है आह्लाद. ए ऑप्शन इज राइट. क्वेश्चन 11. आभ्यंतर का विलोम होता है. आभ्यंतर का विलोम है वाह. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. ऐसे शब्द जो उच्चारण और वर्तनी की दृष्टि से समान हो पर व्युत्पत्ति का तथा अर्थ की दृष्टि से भिन्न हो वो कहलाते हैं समरूप या समुच्चारित शब्द. क्वेश्चन 13. निम्नलिखित वाक्यों में से शुद्ध वाक्य चुनिए. शुद्ध वाक्य है ऑप्शन डी. यह कार्य अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण है. क्वेश्चन 14. हंस पद विराम चिन्ह का प्रयोग होता है. हंस पद का विराम चिन्ह लिखने में अक्षर छूटने का संकेत देने के लिए होता है. पीताम्बर में कौन सा समास है? कर्मधारय समास. बच्चा शब्द का तत्सम रूप होता है वत्स. तत्सम है वत्स. निम्नलिखित व्यंजनों में से कौन से व्यंजन का उच्चारण तालु से होता है? ऑप्शन सी इज राइट. श शब्द का उच्चारण तालु से होता है. अंक शब्द का अर्थ नहीं है. तो अंग जो है अंक शब्द का अर्थ नहीं है. ऑप्शन डी इज राइट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. अपनी करनी पार उतरने का अर्थ है. ऑप्शन बी. अपने कर्म का फल स्वयं भोगना पड़ता है. क्वेश्चन 20. निम्नलिखित में से अशुद्ध वर्तनी वाला शब्द है महत्व. इसमें आधाता नहीं लिखा हुआ है. इसमें डबल आधाता होता है. क्वेश्चन 21. यहाँ 21 से इंग्लिश के क्वेश्चंस हैं. चूज द करेक्ट पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच और वर्ड क्लास ऑफ द वर्ड इंटरेस्टिंग इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस. दिस बुक इज इंटरेस्टिंग. तो इंटरेस्टिंग में हो जाएगा इट्स अ एडजेक्टिव. Fill in the blank in the given sentence by choosing the correct option. Fill in the blanks. The clock, it is 20 minutes fast. So put back the clock, it is 20 minutes fast. Question 23. Which of the following is wrongly spelled? TRUELY. Truly. ये जो लिखा हुआ है it's a wrong. Choose the correct option. This pen is much cheaper than that. यहाँ पे cheaper fill होगा. Question 25. Find out the correct and indirect narration of the following direct speech. John looked at the Taj and said, "How magnificent." यहाँ पे B option is right. John looked at the Taj and explained with surprise that it was very magnificent. Choose the correct meaning of the phrase 0 hour. 0 hour means the hour when an operation begins. B option is right for question number 26. Now 27. Change the following sentence into a simple sentence. The institution is as bad as it could be. Now the option A is right for this. The institute is thoroughly bad. Question 28. Select the word as an appropriate meaning for the given word vandal from the following. Vandal का exact meaning होगा one who destroys works of art. Question 29. Change the given sentence into passive voice. Everyone loves him. Then passive voice is he is loved by everyone. Even option A is also should be right, but according to Ayog, D option is correct. Now question 30. Correct the following expression. Both he as well as his son were present. Option C is correct. Both he and his son were present. This is a passage. 31 to 35 questions are given for this passage. Okay, now question number 31. One should visit the courts of princes when the princes are listening to ambassadors. You have to read at first this passage. You can pause the video and then you can read. Okay. Now question number 32. Who learns from traveling? Young man was traveling. These all answers according to this passage. Who tells about the things to be seen in the country one is traveling? Is tutor. What is not important for traveling in a country? Company of the family members is right. The grave servant accompanying the traveler must have already visited the country of the travel. Now question number 36 from our reasoning and maths. Two numbers are such that there is some difference and product are in the ratio 5:1:18. The difference of their squares is the square difference will be 45. If x minus 2 is a factor of polynomial x cube plus 4x square minus 3x minus 18, then when you will solve this, then the polynomial will be x plus 3 and x plus 3. Option C is correct. 38 question. That new student says that I am his favorite professor and he must be telling the truth because no student would lie to his favorite professor. Identify the fallacy involved in the passage. This is a little typical. It's a petitio principii. Question 39. In a test in mathematics, 20% of the student obtain first class if the data are represented by a pie chart. What is the central angle responding to first class? The angle of pie chart is total angle is 360. Then if you will solve then from 360 of 20%, then 72 will remain. Okay, means C option is right. Question 40. Which factors influence the choice of communication partners? A option is correct. Proximity, utility and loneliness. The total number of triangles in the following figure is 15 is correct. Question 42. The length of parallelogram is 17 centimeter and its width is 11 centimeter. One of its diagonal measures 26 centimeter. The length of the other diagonal is 12 centimeter. A option is correct. Find out the missing number from the following series. This is a aptitude, and if you will find the missing number is 71. Question 44. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 12 and 144 respectively. If one of the numbers is 36, the other number will be 48. Now question 45. Which of the following decision making technique involves structured rules of generating ideas? Answer will be nominal group technique. If radius of a circle is increased in such a way that its circumference increased by 10%, area of circle will be increased by 21%. Means C option is right. Question number 47. The mental function which does not help in problem solving is functional fixedness is correct option. 48. The expression 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1 is divisible by, it is divisible by 2x plus 1. Option B is correct. Question 49. Vikas ranks 88th in a class of 49 students. What is his rank from the last? If you will solve, the answer will be 32. Question 50. Statement is, should a school's education be made free in India? Arguments, there is two arguments. Yes, this is the only way to improve the level of literacy. And two is, no, it will add to the already heavy burden on the exchequer. Sorry. The D is, both arguments 1 and 2 are strong. 51 question. Ratan is 40 meters southwest of Pavan. If Lalan is 40 meters southeast of Pavan, then Lalan is in which direction of Ratan? Then Lalan is in which direction of Ratan? That will be in east. Question 52. What is which one does not belong the following group? The eyes, ear, tooth, these are same, and chin is different. Okay. D option is correct. Question 53. What is the median of the numbers? These are the numbers and you have to find out median. Then 4.9 is the answer. Question 54. The essence of decision making is choosing between alternatives. 55. This is the pie chart and the value is given for different for homework, school, other, sleeping and game. You have to find out. The following pie chart shows daily hourly distribution of various activity in degrees of the student. How much time in percentage does he spend in game in compared to the sleeping? Then you have to solve and answer will be 25. Question 56. The study of temporal communication is known as chronemics. Okay, question 57. Consider the following statements. There are 6 villages A, B, C, D, E and F. Then this is the given detail here, and which 3 villages are in line? You have to find out, and the answer will be A, D and E. Question 58. The sum of the 3 prime numbers is 100. If one of them exceeds another number by 24, then one of the other number is, the number will be 61. Question 59. The golden rule is basic to every system of ethics ever devised, and everyone accept it in some form of or other. It is therefore undeniably sound moral principle. It involves the fallacy of argumentum ad populum. A option is correct. Question 60. Which one of the following is not a rule for estimating the subjective probability of outcomes of any decision? Option A is correct. Assessing utility. 61 question. There is argument. All Indians are religious. All painters are religious. Therefore, all painters are Indians. It involves the fallacy of undistributed middle. C option is correct. Question 62. If in a certain code date is written as WZGV, then which of the following code is will be written for COME? The option will be A is right, X, L and V. 63. What acts in second figure? You have to find out, and option D is correct. That X value will be 29. How many numbers from 11 to 50 are divisible by 7 but not by 3? Option B is correct. 65. A is richer than B, C is richer than A, D is richer than C, E is richest than all. If they are made to sit in the above degree of richest, who will have the central position? Option D is correct. These all are reasoning aptitude questions. You have to solve at first, then you Then you will find answer. Question 66. In a zoo, there are rabbits and pigeons. If heads are counted, there are 200 in all, and if legs are counted, there are 580 in all. How many pigeons are there in the zoo? You have to calculate, and answer will be 110. Question 67. In which of the following decision making style low tolerance of ambiguity is found? Directive style is correct option. Question 68. According to communication as interaction, perceptive feedback is option D is correct, sometimes unintentional. Question 69. In case of complex problems, group performance is higher in decentralized network. Question 70. A sum of rupees 12,000 deposited at a compound interest but becomes double after 5 years. After 20 years, it will become option D is correct. That means um, 192,000. Okay, and now question 671. Choose the odd one out. D option is odd. NP 31. Question 72. What are the barriers to effectively communication? Moralizing, being judgmental, and comments of consolation is correct option A. 73. A group effort of generating alternative ideas that can help a manager solve a problem is called brainstorming. D option is correct. 74. Do scientists believe in religion? Yes, because science, a profession, does not come in the way of faith. And no, because reason and faith do not go together. Quotes either one or two will be right. D option is correct. If rose is coded as 6821 and chair is coded as 73456 and Prech is coded as this number 96143, what will be the code for search? Then code will be 214673, means A option is correct. Question 76. Which of the following does not characterize grapevine? Not characterize grapevine is it is controlled by management. 77. The context of face-to-face communication is synchronous. B option is right. 78. Question given that A is the brother of B, C is the father of A, D is the brother of E, E is the daughter of B. Then the uncle of D is A. A option is correct. 79. 1 January 1995 was Sunday. What day was on 1 January 1998? The day will be option B, Monday is correct. 80 question. Which of the following statement is not correct? All roses are red is not correct. 81. Choose the number which is different from others. Different from others is 125. It is different from these three. And question 82. Consider the following statements regarding major functions of the communication within a group of organization. It facilitates decision making. It acts of a control member behavior. It fosters motivation. It provides emotional expression of feelings. All are correct. 83. It's also from aptitude. Computer is coded as BNLO TSTQ, and then software will be coded as option D RNESVZQD is correct. Select the one which is different from the other three. Option A 398 is different from these three. Question 85. Another name for interpersonal communication is interpersonal communication, also known as dyadic communication. 86. In interpersonal communication, the functions of source receiver are performed by each individual. In each individual means B option is correct. Question 87. A mother is 4 times as old as her daughter and the father is 5 times as old as his daughter. The sum of mothers and fathers' age is 135 years. What is the age of daughter? The age of daughter will be 15 years. B option is correct. Question 88. Which term is used for communication through colors? Through colors, chromatic communication term is used. A option is correct. Question 89. An individual's ability to communicate effectively with others is called interpersonal competence. C option is correct. Question 90. When you become other oriented, you consider needs, motives, desires of others while maintaining your own integrity. A option is correct. Question 91. Raman runs faster than Mohan, but not as fast as Kareem. Kareem runs faster than Suman, but not as fast as Abhinav. Who runs fast? Then Abhinav will fast. Abhinav will Abhinav will run fast. Then C option is correct. Question 92. An overriding element of consideration in all interpersonal communication is context. D option is correct. Question 93. For any two sets A and B, uh, A minus B equals to, this will be A option is correct. 94. Which one of the following may be harmful in terms of effective decision making by the group members? Extreme cohesiveness. A option is correct. The difference of median and mode of the following data. You have to arrange in a ascending order, and you have to find median and mode by formula. Then A option is right. The difference of median and mean, you have to find out at first median and then mode, and then you have to find out the difference from both. Then option A will be right. 3.5. Question 96. In which century February will have 29 days from the following? Then it is a linear 2300. B option is correct. Question 97. If the cost price of 10 shirts is equal to the selling price of 8 shirts, then which of the following is true for the transaction? Option A is correct. Profit of 2500. Choose the odd pair. Odd pair is ball and bat. B option is correct. Question 99. Each of the sides of a triangle is 4 cm less than the sum of its other two sides. Area of the triangle is in centimeter will be 4 under root 3. B option is correct. Question number 100. The first step in decision making is to establish a specific goal. Actually, for decision making, according to me, C option should be right. Identify and define the problem. But according to Ayog, option B is given for right answer. So you have to follow B option. Establish a specific goal. Thank you so much for watching, and best of luck.